The blockchain network Torrential Slide has seen its fortunes tumble in 2022. Subsequent to losing over 85% of its worth in 2022, Torrential Slide's local token, AVAX, has tumbled off the rundown of the main 10 most important digital currencies by market capitalization and presently positions at number 90. The AVAX token saw a sharp auction in May brought about by Torrential Slide's nearby relationship with its companion land. After Land's Luna establishment Watchman had constructed an AVAX save worth $200 M. Indeed, even ongoing associations with Chainlink and Robinhood have battled to slow the descending direction. Starting around the 24th of November 2022, AVAX was exchanging at roughly $12.92, over 91% down from its record-breaking high of $146.22 in November 2021. In this video, we will discuss Torrential Slide and why it professes to be the world's quickest blockchain network, in addition to significant updates, cost examinations, and a gander at the conceivable fate of the Torrential Slide coin. About Torrential Slide. In the blockchain world, versatility and speed are among the really specialized obstacles for decentralized finance projects trying to go standard. Brilliant agreement stages like Torrential Slide and Solana have been chipping away a portion of the overall industry from the market chief, Ethereum, by offering clients lower gas expenses and quicker exchanges. Torrential Slide professes to be the quickest shrewd agreement stage in the blockchain business as estimated by time to conclusion. As indicated by Torrential Slide, time to irreversibility is the time a client needs to hold on to get affirmation that an exchange made on the blockchain won't be changed or dropped. We should see Torrential Slide's center highlights and how it varies from other savvy contract stages. Snow convention. Torrential Slide plans to accomplish low idleness, high exchange throughput, and versatility by means of its local Snow convention, which joins the properties of an old-style agreement convention and Nakamoto agreement. Torrential Slide's white paper says the traditional agreement convention offers low inactivity and high throughput, however dislikes versatility as a result of its dependence on all-to-all correspondence to arrive at agreement. The white paper said that the Nakamoto agreement utilized by evidence of work organizations, for example, Bitcoin, experiences high latencies, low throughput, and consistent energy necessities. Under the Torrential Slide Snow convention, every hub surveys a little, consistent, measured, haphazardly picked set of adjoining hubs to accomplish agreement, rather than the all-to-all correspondence found in traditional agreement conventions. Torrential Slide said, to pick among the clashing exchanges and forestall the twofold spend, each hub haphazardly chooses a little subset of hubs and questions which of the clashing exchanges the questioned hubs believe is the legitimate one. Assuming that the questioning hub gets a super greater part reaction for one exchange, then, at that point, the hub changes its own reaction to that exchange. Each hub in the organization rehashes this system until the whole organization comes to agreement on one of the clashing exchanges. X-Chain, P-Chain, and C-Chain. X-Chain is a blockchain on Torrential Slide utilized for making and exchanging computerized shrewd resources. P-Chain is a blockchain on Torrential Slide which empowers the formation of new subnets, facilitates validators, and monitors dynamic subnets. C-Chain is a blockchain on Torrential Slide that is utilized to make brilliant agreements. The C-Chain is an example of the Ethereum virtual machine, as per Torrential Slide. Ashu Parikh, an examination expert at the blockchain examination firm Masari, said in a report, "Today, by far most of Torrential Slide applications are sent on the agreement chain, Torrential Slide's EVM similarity brilliant agreement stage. Notwithstanding, while Torrential Slide's agreement brings speed and low charges, it doesn't give a drawn-out answer for versatility. To achieve this, Torrential Slide empowers activities to make custom blockchain networks utilizing the stage chain." Tokenomics. What is Torrential Slide coin? AVAX is the local coin on the Torrential Slide stage. It is utilized for marking, on-chain administration, and exchange charges on the organization. AVAX is likewise expected to make or join a subnet. Torrential Slide requires a validator to stake at least 2,000 AVAX. Delegators who need to take part in marking can decide to stake with a current validator by committing at least 25 AVAX. As per its white paper, the AVAX token has a covered stock of 720 million coins. All handling charges on Torrential Slide are singed to build the shortage of AVAX. Torrential Slide has expressed that while AVAX is covered, the rate at which the coin arrives at its greatest limit is dependent upon administration. The ostensible award rate is dependent upon administration, inside pre-laid out limits. This will permit token holders to pick on whether $AVAX is ultimately covered, uncapped, or even deflationary. Starting around the 24th of November 2022, the circling supply of AVAX remained at a little more than 300 million, representing around 42% of its most extreme stock. CoinMarketCap information showed Up until the crypto market decline of May 2022, for which the breakdown of the land environment was a significant impetus, Avax had immovably laid down a good foundation for itself as a main 10 digital money concerning market capitalization. Notwithstanding, in the wake of losing over 91% in 2022, the torrential slide digital money had tumbled to the 19th spot in the rundown of most important digital currencies. Starting around the 24th of November 2022, most of the misfortunes came in the long stretches of April and May, as fixing financial circumstances and the breakdown of the land biological system made Avax post month-to-month misfortunes of over 40% in April and over half in May. Avax couldn't stem its downfall as the Level 1 token posted its third back-to-back month-to-month misfortune in June, at the exchanging cost of $12.92 starting around the 24th of November 2022. Avax is far beneath its unequaled high of $146.22, hit it precisely a year prior on the 21st of November 2021, CoinMarketCap information showed. The torrential slide environment has likewise seen an enormous drop in all-out esteem locked, information from DeFi Llama showed. TVL on torrential slide plunged from its pinnacle of more than $12 billion in December 2021 to about $790 m, starting around the 24th of November 2022. Most recent torrential slide news. As of late, torrential slide examined on Twitter its organization with Chainlink, a profit network for blockchains. That's what torrential slide uncovered: 10 million or more data of interest. Brilliant agreement computerization and evident haphazardness have gotten $550 m in addition to an esteem. The cooperation had additionally developed torrential slide's non-fungible token, GameFi and DEFi contributions, particularly while empowering engineers to expand on the blockchain. It said, with torrential slide's high-velocity organization and Chainlink's profoundly dependable profit framework, devs can drive the following rush of Web3 development with cutting-edge, secure and versatile dApps. Avax as of late went live on Robinhood's financier stage. Financial backers could send and receive the digital currency through Robinhood from the 29th of September. On the 21st of November 2022, torrential slide reported it broke 450 million all-out exchanges, which has since prompted an estimated 10% cost increment at the hour of composing. Cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Momentary Avax coin cost forecast demonstrated that there was negative feeling around the digital currency. CoinCodex's one-month Avax cost forecast, starting around the 24th of November, saw the token falling over 9% to $11.13 by Christmas Eve. For the more extended term, the calculation-based site Avax cost expectation for 2023 recommended the token would average $1.02 before the year's over. Was bullish in its drawn-out Avax crypto cost expectation. As indicated by its Avax cost expectation for 2025, the site anticipated that the token should exchange at a typical cost of $56.75. Digital coin prices Avax cost expectation for 2030 saw